All right, today we're going to be going into mission control, and we are continuing our work in Smeborg. So I'm going to move to Smeborg and tap on it. And we're going to look at loops in the Loopy Lagoon. So loops allow you to repeat a step of a program over and over. So if I wanted to tell a character to, let's say, go to the right, go up, go to the right, go up, go to the right, go up, instead of having to put in 6 different commands, I could put in a loop and put those 2 commands, go to the right and go up, and then tell it how many times to repeat it. So let's go into level 3. Now, if you notice, there are a lot of steps in this program, but they have only given me 3 places to put commands in. So I'm going to have to start with a loop. So I'm going to put a loop in, and it allows me to, in this loop, to repeat 2 steps. So now I'm going to look at my program. I would normally tell the character to go right up, right up, right up, right down, right down, right down, right. So I see a little bit of a pattern there. There's a pattern going up, and then there's a pattern coming down. So my going up pattern is go to the right and go up. Now I need to count how many times I want to do that. So let me see, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to tap this circle and change the number to 3. Now I'm going to come up with another loop to come down. Oh, actually first let me do a little test and see. I've made it to the top of that first kind of staircase. Now I need to come down. So I see that the pattern is go to the right and come down. And I do that 1, 2, 3 times. And if I test this, those 2 loops bring me to here. And now I just need to say go to the right to exit the screen. And that is how we are going to use loops today.